do you think? Wouldn't it be a good idea to become a Patreon member and support the museum work? With your membership, you can produce more interesting stuff, buy materials, or tools, or other things we require to actually build those airplanes and to finally bring them in the air. You could get exclusive content like scenes that are not used for our Workshop Watch series, which will remain free on YouTube. So you may, as a Patreon member, get the chance of seeing footage that no one sees who is no Patreon member. Yeah, so join us on Patreon. The link is elsewhere.